Okay, and we are live here in Iloilo City. I mean, in Walang, Lambunao, Iloilo City. So I slept here for the burial of my second cousin. And okay, see that guy? I don't know what he's doing. And actually, I'm here at the back of the house where we're staying. Yeah, see them? There's a lot of people out there, but I don't want to go there. Maybe I'll go there later after texting my love. Nah, just kidding. So anyways, okay? Right. See them. See, there's a lot of chickens out there. I want you to see the mountain. Yeah, that's the mountain. Looks like gonna rain. There's a cloud. See the dark cloud. It's that a geese. A goose, I mean. Ah, it's a geese. Geese. Yeah, it's a geese because there's another one there. See, there are two of them, so it's a plural, and I may call them geese. So I'm looking for the river. Oh, it's not a river, for a lake, but you know, actually, I just get woke up. Time check, maybe it's 5:30, around 5:30. Yeah. Last night I woke up at 12 o'clock, then I slept at 3. Kinda still sleepy, but I need to woke up. Oh, see, I saw birds. Maybe I'll go there now, but I need to wear my jacket. Maybe I need to post this first, and okay, I'll post this in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. And play again. So I want you to see my face, but don't be no, don't be I'm shy, but okay. So now I'm wearing my dad's jacket. And that's all. That was the face of the video capturer. So I'm going out there, see them. That's my dad. No, the other one, not the one who's pumping the pumper. No. Yo, and yeah, I'm going there. Ha? Gamit ko. So I'm going there. Where this way? Anyway, so last night was the last night, and today is the last day. We're going to go. Um, what do you call this one? Um, I don't know what do we call it. Say hi. Say hi. Magubog daw. Mangu ka. Say hi. Mm. So, yeah, there's a lot of people here. Out here.
Nanti nakarga na na. Charger na charger. Ako ang charger. Charger na na.
May charger.
Ikakuhan kami kayo.
Wala gani.
Ha?
Wala gani.
Ako ni charger. Ako ni.
Ba't ka nagdala?
Wala.
Ako ni charger.
Patan mo.
Niya.
Hindi na charger mo kuha mo na.
Natin guys.
Ano pag video mo ra karoon be?
Gani. Maulam lang kay Jubilee. Pero may battery man to sa extra.
Oh, may program ni Jubilee to kuray kinanglan man na iya karon mo.
Te, ako naman yung tugnaw. Oh, say hi kay Tita Ninit.
Dala mo jacket how?
Wala. I lost it last night. So, yeah, that's my dad wearing his jacket. Then we're going here inside where Tita Pipa is staying. So maybe I can go up here. Maybe I'll go up here. So, just be ready. Here, there. This is Manay. Hi, Manay. Say hi to Tita Ninette.
Ano?
Say hi.
Linit ako dyan. Hi.
Video. Yeah, that's Tita Pipay. So, I really miss you, Tita Pipay. See, don't think so. That's all. Then I wanted to see where did I sleep. Where did I sleep last night? So I slept over here. Yeah, last night. So over there, where the woman stands. I don't know her, but hey, maybe I can call her a woman. So that's all. Maybe I'll stop this first. Actually, this is my first session of capturing a video. Okay. I'll recapture it again later. Maybe at night. Okay. Okay. Just want to say goodbye. Goodbye, everybody.